ended up washing my hair because I washed my body last night, and having a baby, I ended up brushing, so I didn't get to my hair, but I did that this morning.
Where would I be without a cup of coffee? So I just did my makeup, and my husband just left because he thinks he has an ear infection, so I went to go get that checked out. If they're even open on a Sunday, I have no idea. So I just changed my outfit, and I was really hoping that it'd be a nice day out today, and that I could either do a picnic or do a photo shoot of my girls, but it's pretty cloudy out today. I mean, the sun comes out every now and then, but it's pretty cloudy. So, I don't know. Hopefully it gets better out. This girl does not want to wake up. Serenity! It is now 8, going on 9 soon. And she just wants to sleep. And that is what you get, Serenity, for being up late. She actually slept much better last night than she did the nights before. So, it's an improvement, but now she just wants to sleep.
So Adam found these at the store. Strawberry Kit Kat, honey Reese's, and strawberry...
Honey roasted
is that
Reese's.
cherry cheesecake or
Cherry cheesecake.
Hershey's. You excited to try it?
Yes.
So Adam wants me to try this honey Reese's thing, and to me it sounds disgusting. Try it. How does it smell? Smells normal. How is it? Gross?
Good.
Good. The idea of a honey Reese's, though, that just doesn't sound right. But I'm gonna try it. Gross.
So unfortunately, we weren't able to do much today, and it is now storming and raining and just not.
Well, thanks for watching.